Welcome back to AI for All. If you're new here, this is a place to understand artificial intelligence in a calm, simple way. No jargon, no hype, just clarity. Last time we talked about what AI is. Today we're going to explore something just as important. What AI is not. Firstly, AI is not a brain. It doesn't have a mind of its own. It doesn't think, and it doesn't understand the world like we do. Secondly, AI is not conscious. It doesn't know it exists. It doesn't feel emotions, curiosity, or desire. Even when it sounds confident, creative, or empathetic. Those qualities are being simulated, not felt. It doesn't feel happy to help you, although it can be very polite. It doesn't feel frustrated. It's simply responding to your prompt, using patterns learned from data. Thirdly, AI doesn't make decisions on its own, and it doesn't decide what it wants to do. People decide. Humans choose what data it's trained on, what tasks it can perform, where it can be used, and where it can't. So when a system makes a mistake or causes harm, it's not because it chose to. It's because of the data it was trained on, the rules it was given, or the way it was deployed. Understanding that helps keep responsibility where it belongs, with us. And here's another important one. It isn't neutral or objective. It's not automatically fair. And it isn't automatically unbiased. Why? Because it learns from human-created data. And humans are imperfect. That means it can reflect bias, blind spots, and old world patterns without even knowing it. If certain voices or perspectives are missing from the data, it won't magically fill in those gaps. It simply mirrors what it has seen most often. Just like people can have blind spots shaped by experience, this technology can have blind spots shaped by the information it is trained on. That doesn't make it bad or evil. It just means it's influenced by what it's given. And knowing that is key to using it responsibly. So, why does all of this matter? Because when we misunderstand AI, we react emotionally instead of thoughtfully. Some people fear it, others trust it too much, and both are risky. But when we understand what it isn't, we can ask better questions, set clearer boundaries, and make smarter decisions about how it's used. Clarity reduces fear. And understanding gives us a sense of control. It isn't a mind, it isn't conscious, and it isn't in control. It's a tool, powerful, yes, but shaped, limited, and guided by people. Here on AI for All, we'll keep breaking things down, one small idea at a time. In the next video, we'll step away from theory and look at something much closer to home, because you're already interacting with this technology every day, and in ways that you may not even realise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.